In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the world of online shopping using Google with a focus on finding great deals and ensuring you make the most of your time on AliExpress. We know how overwhelming the vast sea of online shopping can be, so this guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step. So settle in, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive in. Firstly, open up your preferred web browser and head over to AliExpress. It's that simple. AliExpress is a treasure trove of various products ranging from electronics to fashion to home decor. And don't let the endless selection overwhelm you. We're going to make this process straightforward and efficient. Once you're on the site, the first thing you want to do is to utilize their search bar to find the product you're interested in. Type in the key terms related to what you're looking for, and you'll soon be presented with a plethora of options. Now, browsing AliExpress is an adventure. Think of it as a digital treasure hunt. Take your time to explore the options available. You'll want to compare different products not only based on price, but also by looking at their reviews and ratings. Product images and descriptions will give you a mental picture of what you're buying, but remember, customer reviews are gold. They offer insights into the quality and performance of the products from people who have already purchased them. Once you've selected a product, click on it to get more details. Here is where you'll do a bit more digging. Check for the shipping options. AliExpress often offers free shipping on selected products, which can significantly reduce your overall costs. You'll find this information on the product page, so keep an eye out. If it says free, then you're in luck. The product is eligible for free shipping. After you've confirmed these details and feel confident about your choice, proceed to the checkout page. This is where you finalize your purchase. Be sure you have your payment information handy to make the checkout process as smooth as possible. Double-check the prices and shipping information to ensure everything is in order before hitting that purchase button. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated AliExpress, found a product you love, and ensured you're getting a deal with free shipping. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Remember, the key is to take your time and make informed decisions. Happy shopping, and see you in the next guide where we explore more tips and tricks to enhance your online shopping experience.